Okay, question 18. So the thing that makes this tricky is a fact that you need to know when working out the volume, and that is 1,000 centimeters cubed is the same as 1 litre, which is 1,000 millilitres. Okay, now we've got 500, so we're looking at 500 centimeters cubed is equal to half a litre, which is what our container is, which is 500 millilitres. Now we're going to need that fact. You're going to need that fact to answer this question. So if we think now, we want to know what the height of this is to hold 500 millilitres, or the height to give us 500 centimetres cubed. So we know that the volume of a cuboid is equal to 5 times 5, which will be this number times h. And we know that that's going to be 25h. But we want the volume to be equal to 500 centimetres cubed. So if we set this equation up, we want the volume, 25h, to be equal to 500. Okay, so h is equal to 500 divided by 25. So bring this in. 500 divided by 25 means that h must have given me 20 centimetres. Okay, that's going to give me a volume of 500, which is going to give me 500 millilitres. Okay. Right, question 19, common question. On the July the 1st, 2004, he invests £2,000 at 5% compound interest. Work out in 2006. So we need to realise that this investment is 2 years. Okay, we have got a compound interest of 5%. So let's just remind ourselves this is an increase. Which we need to turn into a multiplier, a decimal, which is 1.05. So if I times by 1.05, I'm going to automatically increase by 5%. Okay, so let's take this £2,000 that he invests. That'll be for 1 year. Times it again would be another one. So that will give me the value in 2 years. However, you'll know from class, or seen this topic before, we don't tend to do that. We write it as a power because it's always 5%. So we can just write that as a single power. Punch that into my calculator. I'm going to have 2,000 times 1.05 squared, and you can see it's worth £2,205.